Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys again how to look for products for Amazon FBA business using SellerAMP and Keepa. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group, where you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. I'm going to put the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join after the video. So with that said, here's the video for today. And we're going to go through different products, read data using SellerAMP and Keepa, and we're going to decide, right, if we want to buy the product or not. So, yeah, the first step is we open up our Amazon product page right here, and then open up your supplier page, and then from here, you guys would need to compare the products, right, to see if they match. So I would look at the title, description, color, size of the product. So these two products looks like the same. And the product price is $12. So I would plug in $12 here on your cost. And the selling price on Amazon is $28 or $28.74. Let me just double check if there's any sales here on this website. I don't see anything. 30% off. No, that's not it. It's different. Okay. So yeah, the cost is $12. The price on Amazon is $28.74. The ROI is currently at 35%. Right? 42 sales a month. And from here, you go to the bottom of the page. So now you would need to decide if you're willing to share 42 sales a month with 11 other sellers right here, right? With this much inventory, with this much ROI. So to me, let's see, 42 sales a month. To me, I think I'm going to be okay with picking this product. It has 42 sales a month. The way I do it is I usually price myself as cheap as possible. I usually match the cheapest seller on the listing, and I like this product because it's giving me a minimum of 35% ROI. The sales per month is not really good. Only 42, right? Like 42 sales a month versus all the other sellers, so it's not really the best, but as far as the ROI, it's pretty good. So to me, this is good, but let me double check Keepa if there's any issues on this about this product. So as far as the price, it used to be higher. It used to be at $32. Then recently it's been dropping to $30. Yeah, $28. So price is going down, honestly. It's been going up and down. So I like to look at the sellers here on SellerAMP and see where the prices are. So I feel like I have enough ROI, right, to match this cheapest seller and still sell the product. So to me, this is a good product. Next one. All right, next one is, what is this? Underwear, 4-pack underwear. So let's see if they match. Looks like they match. And the price on Amazon, on the supplier's website is $15.99. So we plug it here, $15.99. Let's see if there's any sales. Gift. No, there's no sales. There's no coupon codes. So yeah, the price is $15.99, right? So this one's giving us a low ROI right there. Sales per month is pretty high. It is a variation though, so I would go to variation. Oh, right there. Variations. Pick the variation. It usually auto selects. Check it. Oops. Sorry. Check it. So this exact variation is getting 1% of all the sales. So I'm going to take 1% of this number, which is, what's 1% of that? Which is 14. So 1% of 1,400 is 14, right? So now this exact variation is getting 14 sales a month. So now I need to decide if I'm willing to share 14 sales a month, right? With 8 other sellers, with this much inventory, with this much ROI. And to me, honestly, the answer is no. I feel like the ROI for this product is pretty low, the 14%, and there's not enough sales a month also, right, to justify only making 14% ROI. And as far as the Keepa chart, I mean, it's up and down. But I mean, I do have enough data already. I'm not willing to risk on a product that's selling 14 times a month, right, with this many people and only giving me 14% ROI minimum. So to me, this is not a good one. But I have the option to pick the best selling variation on this listing. So what I like to do when I see products with variations is that I like to go through different variations. So for this instance, I'll probably, look at the top maybe 4 or 5 variations, right? So you know what? I'm going to pick one right now. So this one is 2 black, 2 navy, large, right? So 2 black, 2 navy, large. Let's see, this one is, so 2 black, 2 navy, large, okay. 2 black, 2 navy, large, okay. Let's see if we can, if the numbers make sense, right, for his variation. So $15.99 is the cost. Sale price is $28. Yeah, this one's negative. It's not going to work. So let's check the other variation. So 4 black. Let's see, black. Okay, 4 black. What size? 4 black, size large. Let's see, 4 black, size large. Let's see if the numbers make sense. This one's selling at $25. And then the supplier's price is $15.99, so it's not gonna make sense either. Okay, so yeah, it's not gonna make sense. But hey, for this example, I just showed you guys that if one variation didn't really work out, there's other variations out there that you guys can check. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And again, if you guys enjoyed my video, I'm gonna invite you guys to join my free VIP Amazon group. I'm gonna put the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.